Welcome back, everybody. Today we are going to be working on my air compressor. When I was working on the lawnmower, I I don't know. I was trying to put the tire on. I was trying to pump it up, trying to get the bead to lock in, and the compressor just completely stopped working. So that said, I've had this compressor for like I don't know, 20 years probably. I don't even know if I can get it working, but we're going to give it the old college effort. What is going on with my garage door? It's in super slow motion right now. Must be in some sort of protect mode or something. Anyway, so this is the compressor. I've had it forever. This little guy. Oh, oh. The garage door just stopped going up. I don't know what's going on. Let's see. Oh, all right. It's working now. Anyway, so this is the compressor. It's just an old Ingersoll Rand. I've had it for 20 years, guaranteed. So this is what we're gonna work on. First, I gotta get out of here. So I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, you can see that. This thing has been rode hard and put away wet, like for real. But that said, this is actually cleaning right off. This sticker, I can see. The other one, which I was hoping to see, I cannot see. Let's see, what is the plan here? We don't really have a plan. Oh, this comes right off. I didn't expect that. Does this have a, seems like it would have a screw. Oh, there's a screw. That's not even in there. That's good. And I see one here. So somebody's already had this apart because it sure the heck wasn't me. I don't even know what this belt looks like or nothing. Okay. Let's get a little tray. See my, nope. Alright, that comes right off. I'll wash that up. Oh, okay. That looks, I mean, it moves. So this looks like it might be broken. Yep. So whoever had this off before me broke this. As you can see. Throw that in there. Watch it be just the fact that I have the wrong power to it. That would be my luck. But really, I mean, it needs to be, I need to go through it. I've had this thing a long time. If it needs oil, it could probably use oil and oil change and all that if that's something you do with these, I don't even know. If you do know, put it in the comments. That'd be great. Okay, so this probably should just come right off without breaking, hopefully. Oh, something's connected. Oh, there's a little bracket back here. There we go. Mind the bracket. So far, the only long bolt was this one and this one. These two broken pieces. All right, here we go. Oh, that's probably not a good sign. Oh, actually, I don't know, maybe. We'll see. It's filthy though. Holy moly. Holy moly. I'm probably going to have to get some degreaser up in here. Of course, I don't have standard ratcheting wrenches because basically everything I work on is metric. You know, Honda, Nissan. I guess I can't say everything because my truck is, well, yeah, that's all standard. So yeah, this belt doesn't look too bad. There's a little glue on here or something, but I don't see like any rips or tears. Okay, that's a win. Okay, that's awesome. So that works. So that tells me I probably just need to, clean this up. Probably got to change the oil in here if there's a way to do that. So this regulator, surely it's no good. I'm going to order another one. So, regulator, these things, grips. I think this is good. Oh, there's two of them. There's one over here too. This one's good too. So that's good. I'll just salvage all the rest of this. We should be good. And pop this off. Boom. Boom. And boom. That was a lot easier than taking this whole square D switch apart. Nice. It'll be it'll just save you a lot of time, I think. All right. Put that back. Boom. Kind of excited. I don't even know what color I'm going to paint it. Should I keep it the same color, all natural, or should I do something cool? That's the question. Oh, scared me. Jumped a little. All right. So that's that. We should just be able to pop these off. This is actually one of the first tools I bought, I think. I was 17 or 18. I bought this from a pawn shop in Cocoa. What is it called? Can't remember the name of it, but it's been a good one. That said, I cannot find any documentation on it. Like they don't even exist. Usually Ingersoll Rands are like tan, apparently. At least that's what I found. So she's old school. There we go. Pop that off. Oh yeah. Yeah, that looks like she's never been repainted. It's always been this color. I'm telling you, I can't find anything. Cannot find it. All right. Probably going to regret taking these lines off. Probably. Probably never get it to not leak again. We'll see. I was worried I was going to break this. Oh man, I was a little scary. Okay. There we go. That pops right off. Yeah, we'll be able to clean that up nicely. Don't break. Don't break. Oh, probably should go the right way. There we go. Had to think about that. I was like, wait a minute. Am I going the right way? Nope. You're not. Man, this is actually coming apart a lot easier than I anticipated. I gotta say, I actually thought this was going to be way more difficult to tear down, and it kind of seems fairly simple. But this is probably going to be heavy as shit right here. Yeah, maybe not. Oh, actually, it's really light. Put that right there. Let's pop this off first. Oh, perfect size. Oh, yep. I bet that thing was leaking. That's why I'm redoing it all. Just to prevent leakages. Is that a word? Leakages? Probably not. I need a big speed wrench, as Puddin would say. Oh man, I got that stuff all over me now. Look at this. It's like a weird gooiness. Oh yeah. It should be fun putting this back together. There we go. Boom. All right. Well, guys, that was fun. We'll be back again and get her finished. I'll give you a little once over real quick. She's a little dirty, actually a lot dirty. Um, you know, this is definitely bare bones right now. Super light. So cool. All right, guys, welcome back. It's a new day. Last time we worked on this thing, we completely tore it down. Basically, got it ready for a paint job. I decided I'm not going to paint it. I think I'm just going to clean it up, maybe polish it, and just keep it original. Ordered some new grips and ordered basically everything I could find. I cannot find the air filter for this thing, so I'm going to have to just kind of look around and see if I can go find one physically, because online I just can't find one. But today we're just gonna get this thing pressure washed, get it cleaned up, and get it ready for reassembly. I went and got new regulator, got new drains. I got a bunch of new stuff. We'll get back to that. For now, we gotta get this thing cleaned up because it's pretty bad. I did order the grips I got are gonna be like red grips. Just because, like, you know, there's red, and also I couldn't find black ones. Only white or red. So I decided to go with the red variety. Look at this. It's nasty, and it's all kind of pretty bad. This is pretty bad. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna get this thing cleaned up, get it pressure washed. I'm not sure if I'm gonna pressure wash the compressor. Maybe. And probably gonna pressure wash the. Well, no, I'll probably just clean off the motor But then I do have an oil change for it, I have a new regulator, I have a new dryer, I have a bunch of new stuff. I'm hoping I don't have to replace this, which I might, because now that I think about it, I don't know if this, oh, right there. I'm not sure if that is working accordingly, that little needle valve thing. But who knows? We'll see. If I gotta get one of those, I'm not too worried about it. This is something that's been on my radar for a long time. It's been messing up for a long time. And then just middle of using it, right when I needed it. Isn't that how it works out? Right when I needed it, nope, I'm done.
Come on, not today.
This thing said, I ain't doing it. I ain't doing it. So let me get the pressure washer out and I'll catch you back on. She wants to take chokes right now. That's fine. Crazy thing is, guys, is not long ago it was just sunny as can be out there. And then all of a sudden, boom. Nope, no more sun for you. All right. That's done. I mean, it's still raining, but what I mean by that is I closed the garage door and bikes are getting wet. These are just obviously let the moisture out that builds up inside the tanks. So let's go ahead and flip this baby over. I want to do this now because I don't want to do this and try to work underneath like this and all that when I'm trying to, I don't want to do that when it's all put back together. So we're just going to put it on there. All right, that works for me. Show you what I'm looking at here. See that? Yeah, I think we're gonna take that off and soak it. Alright guys, before we go too much farther on the cleanup on this thing, we want to check and see if there's any oil in here. Alright. Well, that's not a good sign, guys. Hopefully this is how you check it. Why wouldn't it be? Yeah, it has to be, right? There we go. Whoo, broke her loose. You can't fake that sound. Holy crap. All right. Let's see. Oh, yeah. Okay. That's good. I wasn't sure there was going to be any oil at all. That should be it. It doesn't look like there's a crush washer on here, so maybe it's just, I just gotta send it, you know? Kind of like it was, because this thing was freaking, I thought I was gonna break it, it was so tight. I don't want to send it too much. So if it's leaking, I'll give it a little more, but I think that's good for now. But guys, that's good news. I didn't know if this thing had any oil in it at all, and it looks like it had quite a bit. But it does look, you know, you can't really tell on camera, but it's black. Quite in the safe zone yet. Alright guys, we're in the safe zone now. Alright, and we are back. We got this thing pretty clean. We didn't get it super clean, but it's good enough. I'm not too worried about it being, you know, immaculate. It's not like I'm doing a 100% restoration of this thing. I just want it to be usable again. So this is what it looks like now. It'll still get even more clean. This whole wheel is fairly clean compared to what it was. Here's the back of it. So it's a lot better. Took some of the gunk off. I mean, I can kind of give you an idea by moving this. And also, yeah, that's all stuff that came off of it. It's all underneath here. This is where we're at now. It's looking pretty good. There we go. That's the holes. Alright. I do want to tighten this up real quick. So weird that this is lefty loosey, righty tighty.
What?
No. Righty loosey, lefty tighty. I almost couldn't even say it. I had to think about it. Wait, what am I saying? Hold on. Alright. There's that. Let's get the motor back on. The motor turned out pretty good. Not bad at all. Actually. Alright, so I think this is just, it goes where it goes. So I'm gonna go ahead and crank this thing down. Which I probably could have did that before I put the motor on, but it's fine. Should do it. I don't want that too tight. I don't want any tension on it. I mean, I want tension on it, but I don't want it to be dragging it down. Okay. Oh, that should be good. It tightened up a little more than what I was actually hoping, but I think it'll be fine. Look at this one. This one's really bad. Yep, so I'm gonna take these in and clean them real quick. Alright guys, so as you can see I already cleaned it up. This is what it looks like after I scrubbed it. And then I'm just gonna polish it, and that's what it's gonna look like when I'm done polishing it. Polishing it is unnecessary, but I'm already here, might as well do it. It just takes a couple seconds. Well, that's better than nothing. At least it's clean now. Now, normally I would like to get this bent back into shape, but I really don't want to mess with it. Kink it or bend it or, you know, something bad, so I'm not doing that. We got New dryer. New regulator. Harbor Freight for the win. And then every time I go, I have to get zip ties. It's just I have to every time. That way I got bags and bags of zip ties. I will never run out. All right. Hopefully I got the right ones. Hopefully. Now let's just rip the package all into pieces just in case. Oh, I think we're good. Oh yeah. I think we're good. This will be the right one. See, it's very similar. Very similar.
You nailed it, bro.
Cool. Let's put this thing back on. This thing has to have a name. What is this thing? Switch? Square D switch? I don't know if I'm gonna get another turn out of this. Surely I will, right? Yeah, I think I can get it. I think it'll go. Maybe. Oh yeah, we're good. Come on, baby. You're close. There you go. That's where we want you, right there. Now this thing goes on. Otherwise known as a regulator. So, there's that. Put this on now. Yeah, let's get a wrench for that. Oh, first try. Now I wish I got a new one because now that one looks terrible, but that's fine. It's definitely better than what it was, that's for sure. Just like these are better. These are the things that were underneath the drains. They were completely broken, rusted shut. Not good at all. Goes on there. Where is there we go. Okay, I think that should do it. Now, if I remember correctly, this goes from here to there. So this actually needs to be this way a little bit, I think. Now, if that leaks, I'll I'll tighten it a little bit more, but I really don't want to tighten it if I don't have to. Creature of habit. Once you do that, you want to be able to spin it the direction it's going to go, and it won't lift itself up, unravel, or whatever you want to say. Oh. There we go. Okay. Should be good. And this goes here. Boom. Then my airline will go there. Should be, because tools are, yep, tools are male. Okay, cool. It's coming together. All right, guys. My phone was dying, so I had to stop the video. I think I pretty much caught everything. The only thing I did do off camera is I just hooked up these 3 wires again, ran this wire and into the motor, and I put this on. That was it. So it's all hooked up. Looking pretty good. And we're about to fire it up and see if it works. I'll put you over here. Wish me luck. All right, here we go. Let's make sure it's off first. It is, yep, it's off. Let me just make sure. This is hooked up. That's hooked up. This is hooked up. This is up. This is on. This is done. That's hooked up. Okay. Should be good. Here we go. Hold on. All right. Fire in the hole. Not, hopefully not really fire, but. Awesome. Wonder why this isn't building pressure. Oh, probably because I gotta have a hose hooked to it, maybe, huh? I don't really know how these work. I need to look, Google it. But you know what? I mean, we're holding air. Hold on. We're holding right there at, well, about 26. And I do not hear anything. All right, guys, that is exciting.
Happy, 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 happy.
Let's go ahead and put these pieces on. Oh, definitely missed a spot. That's okay, I can get to that after maybe. Oh, definitely missed a lot of spots. That'll be fine. So this goes here. I did get this as clean as I could get it, but I mean, really, I could have used a little more work and effort on it, but at the same time, I don't think it would have got any cleaner. And boom. Oh yeah. Oh no. There we go. So originally there was some sort of sticker there, but you know, that one looks good. I like it. Okay. Scar audio compressor. Not really. Alright. Let's go throw another coat of paint. Just doing flat black. Oh yeah, that's ready. Ready enough. See if I can do this one-handed. Sure I can. Boom. Yeah, see that extra couple minutes is just gonna make it look that much better. Although, I mean, really doesn't matter. It's going right here. It goes from here up to there. Definitely looks a lot better. I mean, it's not brand new. Just keep in mind. But I'll put some before pictures. And I still got to get the handles because I got ordered two things of handle grips and they're the wrong ones. I got this piece on here, off camera, which holds this sturdy. There it is. I think I'm gonna replace this because it's just asking to be replaced now next to this one. All right, guys. Well, that pretty much wraps up this video. Y'all don't know this, but I already built the shelf. That'll be the next video, another week or two from now, maybe, depending on when I get to edit it. But I already built the shelf. I got it on the shelf, and I got it sitting here. I haven't plumbed it in yet, but I'm gonna be plumbing it in. I'm gonna be hooking air to it and running air to my bench and all that. But I do want you guys to see it finished. I did, I added a little, just like a little bracket, just where the regulator is, just because I wanted it to be extra safe. But here it is. Sitting on the shelf. New dryer, regulator. Here's that little bracket I added right there. Just a little piece of metal, nothing crazy. Painted it. Super excited though. Can't wait to get the air ran up and over to my workbench. And yeah, super pumped, man. I'm looking forward to having air again. But that'll be it for this one. I do appreciate you watching, and we'll see you in the next one.
Right this way is the exit.